Hello guys, this is again Mackie. I would like to review the Uniball Signo pen. They come in a .7 and also a .5. A .7, so this is the 207 series, and they also have a 307 series. So the difference between 207 and 307 is one is a little smoother. I mean, the 207 write really smooth already, but 307, oh my gosh, it's even smoother. Let me see. Do I have one of the 307 that's already up? I don't want to take the bubble off if I do not use them right now. Excuse me, sir. No. So, these are, I believe, the black one I pop open already. Yes. So, this is the 307. Sorry, I had to fight with my kids because they always try to grab my pen. And once they take it, you will not find it for days because I would not know where they put it at. So, the 307, I only have the two colors, which is just black and blue. So 307 is very smooth, very smooth. And then, so that's the 307. And then they also have the BLT. So the BLT is what happened is they infuse the black with color. So this is blue, BLT or BLX, what is it called? Yeah, it's no longer say on the box, but I believe it's BLX. I don't remember. This one is the red infused with black. So it looked more like maroon. And this is the purple. The purple look really dark, look almost like black. And then I just have the regular one. The regular one, I have the .7, most of them, and then the micro one is .5. So if you see the word micro on it, that means it's .5. So the micro, and I personally love the micro, but not everywhere available. I cannot find a micro at Target. I don't know if it's sold out, but I can only find these at Office Depot, and I price match Target price. And then these are just regular blue. And this is red. And this is purple. And this is the deep purple that I like. So they have that. And sometime last year when I was pregnant with my little one, I went to Staples, and I couldn't find, because I didn't bring any pen with me to class. I guess it's the pregnancy thing, so I had to go Staples and grab like some cheap pen, and they have like a pack of 4 of these for $1. It's called Uniball Signo RT retractable, and it's called Gel RT, gel retractable. So I was like, oh yeah, I like those pens. So I bought it for $1 and have 4 of them. It's really good deal, right? But when I buy it and use it, I do not like it because it, well, at the time it was smearing a lot and it was skipping, but this one seems like a really good pen. Um, like all four of them maybe like one write really nicely. So I guess that's why it was on sale for $1 for one pack. And I believe I grabbed 2 packs. So I didn't like them. I gave them away and I kept one for myself. So this, I guess this is the one that have the most ink. So I keep it for myself. But when it writes really nice. But if it's skipping, like 3 out of 4 skipping, that's like 75% unusable. So try to avoid this kind, the one with the just plain signo RT. If you like, just get the 207 or even 307. And then I'm also going to do a quick review on the Unipin. So this Unipin, I got it from my country. And then, cause my sister just visited my country and I used this before. So this Unipin, I've been using it when I grow up, like for, I don't know, more than 20 years now. I really enjoy it because it has really fine point. So it's kind of like a micron pen, 0.3 or something like that, because this one 0.3 is 0.3 millimeter. And they also have the 0.2, which I like 0.2 the most. But I don't know why my sister bought me 0.3, and she bought me a box of blue and a box of black, and I believe it was a dozen of it in the box. And these last forever. So I would have it for like so many years, and it still write really nice. Unless after a while, the pin in the front, it just like gone inside and you can't write anymore. I mean, I never had these ran out of ink before unless you uncap it. But after a while, it keeps pushing in, so it kind of reminds me of the Sharpie pen. Not the Sharpie marker, but the pen series. But it still write really, really nice. It's kind of like Stadler, but better. It's better gripping. So it's more like micron pen, but it's called Unipin. And I think you can find them on Amazon, but it's kind of expensive. We got it from our country, and it costs about $2 a piece if you buy it by a dozen. Ow, please don't step on my feet. Or you have to pay $3 a piece if you buy just one. So it's called Unipin. Yes, and it write really, really nice. And then sometime last week I did a review on the Uniball Signo DX. So the DX one is 0.38 and it's really nice, but from Staple it have only 8 of them and it have only 8 colors, which the most decent color is blue. That is like a professional color. The rest is just, you know, for playful color, but it's not serious. Like you can't use this to write like for work or anything. So I had to order black because I wish they have one black and one dark blue. And so the 3 basic colors that they should have is 1 black, 1 blue, 1 red. And then they can mix up with any other colors to make it 8 pieces or 6 pieces or whatever. But they should always come with black, blue, and red. You know, but I cannot find the black one anywhere. I had to order from Amazon. And I thought it came in a box of 12, but no, it came in a box of 10. For $15. So thanks to the Prime, I didn't have to pay shipping. But I had to get the black one because my most favorite color to write is black and blue. So this is the Signo DX 0.38 millimeter, and I heard they come out with like 0.2 also. I have never tried 0.2 type of gel ballpoint before. I only tried the micron type of pen. So I would just say, oh no, let's just use all these first. And when I finish these, then maybe when I had to reorder them, maybe I'll try the 0.2. Because I do like the fine point. So fine point when you have to write on like a little like figure 3.8 of your, there's some picture of something that you need to memorize, a formula or something, then you can write small, small, small in your textbook. Yeah. So, and I had quite a few of them. I had quite a few of the signo. So I do got a lot of pens. But I do use them up a lot, and I do write my notes and rewrite my notes because that's how I remember. So I had this um I had this Samsung 10.1 S Note pen that I can take notes over, my tablet. And there's time that I use it for science class, and I write my notes on it, and I try to print a PowerPoint after I write my note, and I can't really read myself because the writing is really weird. So I'm like, oh great, this is a science class, and I didn't do so well when I take notes with like a digital stuff. Um, and so I go back to a traditional writing notes, and I've been doing better. So if I study, I need to write with pen. So I don't know, it's just better for my brain. My brain just recognizes it once. And then when I restudy it and then try to take a test, and it's like my brain can recognize the wording on the test and remember my writing in my brain, locate it, and put it on a test. And I've been getting better grade when I write with pen and paper. So even, as you know, even I print a PowerPoint, I would write on a PowerPoint point first and write as many information that the teachers say, and I would sometimes record because if the material is difficult, I would record it. And when I come home, I would listen to the record and transcribe everything into a note or to my notebook. And sometimes I do it twice. I do one on my like regular notebook, and then the second one I kind of like summarize it into a shorter point, especially what I don't remember. I re-summarize what I don't remember. But whatever I remember, I don't write for the third time. No, because I already know it. So yeah, that's just how I study, and hopefully you can find it a little helpful. So thank you so much for watching again, and I really hope you enjoy my review on pen. Oh yeah, and most of the time I keep forgetting to tell you if it's bleeding or not, but it doesn't bleed through. It does have ghosting, but to me this much ghosting is okay. Like, these are good. It does not like bleed through or anything. So this this is my favorite pen of all time and forever and ever. But you can only find black, blue, and red. And I have one red, which I treasured so much because I did not want to buy a box of red. So I only have one red, and I have like 20 of the black one and maybe 12 of the blue one. So yeah. And I did not have it here. I have it in my closet because I care for it too much. I have to keep it safe in my closet. I know, it's crazy. Okay, take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.